Okay, so we're starting at this side of my bedroom. This is where my bed, this is where I sleep. I like my space very clean and minimal. The plant above my head is fake because I don't want anything to fall on my head and break my head. And now moving on to my ZZ plant. She is juicy. I love her. She is my pride and joy. And this is another fake plant. It's called a Dieffenbachia or a dumb cane, but it's fake. And then this is my peace lily. I don't know the original name, but you guys are going to see these yellow tags in my video. And those are just sticky, double-sided sticky yellow tags for fungus gnats. I'm dealing with a lot of fungus gnats right now, which is really annoying. But you're going to see that, and that's just how I'm dealing with it. This little succulent thing is fake as well. Now we're moving on to this side of my room. It has my mirror, my closet, my dresser. And it's just where I put my stuff. That's where my stuff is. This is a fake plant from Dollarama as well. Another fake plant plus some glass bottles that I use for propagation. And then my flowers from Rose Forever, which I am going to talk about now. So hi guys, welcome to this part of the video. I know I look dusty, but I couldn't be bothered to actually film this because I'm pretty busy. So I just wanted to come on here and talk about the roses because I know people are gonna ask. I didn't purchase them, they were gifts, but I still think it's good to know. So these are roses from Rose Forever in New York. It's a company based in New York and they sell these like amazing roses. I got these in blue, which you can't see because of my lighting, but you already saw in that video. And I also got the dome roses in red, and they're actually new. They're a new collection that they have, but yeah, they're just amazing roses. I think everyone should get them. They have good customer service too, because I had an issue with a rose and they were more than willing to replace it, even though like I didn't pay for it, it was a gift. But still, like, that showed that they cared about the person who was buying it, the person who was receiving it. They just really care about their customers, and they also care about quality. They're also really fast with shipping. I got my stuff within a few days of ordering, and that was pretty nice because, you know, it was a nice little surprise. I love these roses. They're amazing, and I think everyone should get them. I will leave a link to them down below, and I believe they might be having a sale or something. I don't know, but I love these roses. And if you have anyone in your life who likes roses or flowers or anything, you need to go order this. Like, they're expensive. I wouldn't even say they're expensive, you know, like they cost a bit, but that's what you pay for these. You know, they're real life roses that are gonna last you over a year. That's like a year worth of roses. Like if you buy like regular store-bought roses, at least where I live, it's like $20, you know, and then you have to rebuy those every now and again because the roses die. But these ones don't die for a bit. So I love these roses. They're amazing. Go get you one, go get your family one, and on to the video. So this is a fake plant that I got, and this is another fake plant that I got. I have fake plants here because this is the side of my room that doesn't get a lot of sunlight. This is a Ficus Elastica something, I don't know, but it's one of those ones that have the burgundy at the back and the really dark luscious greens at the top, and it is so luscious. And she's a stallion. That is a fake tree that I got from Goodwill. And then moving on to this side of my room, this is where most of my plants stay because I get more sunlight. And then I have my Boston Fern, which, you know, I'm trying to figure her out, but we're getting there. Yeah, she's a lot. This is my marble queen Pothos, which she honestly is a queen. She has grown so much and just done so much that I have nothing but respect for my president. Like, she is the queen. That is a fake plant. Ignore. This is a croton. Doesn't really do much. It's one of those ones that just kind of sit there and do their own thing. Not very magnificent, but not very bad either. Doesn't really give me problems, but not fantastic. This is my propagation of a Pothos, and this is literally just one leaf because that's all I cut, and that's all I propagated. This is my Hartley Philodendron, which has been through a lot with me, but has stuck through it through and through, and is just the strongest plant that I own. He has been through a lot. And then this is also another croton. I don't know exactly what kind, but it is some kind of croton. This is a Ficus Elastica Taneki, but I think it's a ruby because it has those pink leaves at the top. And yeah, I love my Ficus Elasticas. This is a philodendron. I don't know what kind of philodendron, but it is a philodendron. It's just a plain kind of the Birkin. This is a Peperomia obtusifolia. Hasn't really given me issues, but she's just a stallion, does her own thing, doesn't really bother anyone. And this is a Alocasia poly. And yeah, I honestly don't like this plant very much. If you have any tips on how to actually keep it alive, let me know. But yeah, this is my golden pothos, which is one of my favorite plants. But lately I just had like 5 leaves just turn yellow and fall off. I'm like, holy shit. I don't know why though, but it seems to be fine otherwise. This is a wandering Jew. I got it from Walmart on clearance, and because it was dying, but now it's good. It's just doing its own thing. No complaints. And now you have my snake plant. It has actually grown quite a bit since I got it. Just because a plant is low light tolerant does not mean you should give it no light. So I put it in a lot of light and it's grown quite a bit, which I'm very surprised about. This is a propagation of my mother wandering Jew that I showed you guys, and it's doing quite well. Surprisingly, it's grown quite a bit. This is another wandering Jew. I don't know what it's called. It's a Tradescantia linearis, I believe, but I could be wrong. So let me know what it's called. It's some kind of wandering Jew. I just don't know what exactly. This is a Hoya pubicalis splash. Doesn't have a lot of splash, but it is what it is. It's my only Hoya, which is very surprising because I love these. Anyways, it's starting to grow really long tendrils, which I'm really excited about. So, and then this is a cactus. Not much. I don't know what it's called. It's just a cactus. Just doing its own thing. This is my failure of a succulent. Honestly, I suck at succulents. I give up. I'm never buying another succulent ever again. This only costs $2, which is good, but I don't know how to take care of succulents, clearly. This is my spider plant. She's grown so big since I got it. Like, when I got it, it only had a few leaves, and honestly, I didn't think it was growing that much, but then I looked back on a picture and I was like, holy crap, it is so big now. Like, so big now. And then this is my other peace lily. Not as luscious as the first one I showed you guys. It's not really doing too well. I don't know if it's the pot or if it's its location. I don't really know. So I'm just gonna repot it and see how it goes. And I think that is it for my plants. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, just leave it down below. I'll read all the comments. At least I try to. And I am just going to end the video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next one.